Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find the week starts on Monday feature or function here on GanttPro to organize your projects and your teams. So let us dive into this, guys. So usually the week starts on Monday also here on GanttPro. That's the default settings. But if you accidentally or one of your team space or team members change it, guys, this is how you can restore that feature. So what you will need to do here on GanttPro is access your project settings, your profile settings, excuse me. To do that, click into that gear icon in the bottom left. And here, guys, navigate to profile settings at the very top left corner, in the top left corner. And here at the very bottom, guys, you will see this option, week starts on Monday. So simply turn it on or turn it off. And there you go, these changes will then be applied so that you can use the one setup you want. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.